Recently, some Xiaomi Android users complained about the mobile data not working issues on Android. Now, if you have a Xiaomi device and if you think you have data on your device and your mobile data is not working for apps like Google Chrome, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Free Fire, PUBG, or any other apps, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show some advanced troubleshooting processes to solve your mobile data not working on your Xiaomi device. After that, open Setting, tap SIM cards and mobile networks. Now check for data SIM. Now you need to select the correct SIM card. Now if you choose the wrong SIM card, you can have issues with your mobile data. After that, now go back. Swipe down from the top, enable airplane mode, wait 20 sec. Now turn it off. After that, check your problem. Now, if you see your problem is still there, if you can't use your mobile data, then you need to eject your SIM card. Now insert the SIM card again. After inserting your SIM card, open Setting again. Scroll down to Connection and Sharing. Scroll down, tap Data Usage. Now you need to find out which app you are having issues with. Now you need to check the apps. Now if you find that icon right next to any apps, that means you can't use mobile data for those apps. Now to fix this issue, you need to tap on the apps that you are having problems with. Now toggle on mobile data for SIM card from here. Do the same process for other apps. After that, check your issues. Now, if you still have the same issues, you need to go one step back. Scroll down, tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Network, and Bluetooth. Now, choose a SIM card that you are having issues with. Tap Reset Setting, draw the pattern, and keep moving with the process. After following all the process, if you still have mobile data issues on your Xiaomi device, you need to call customer support and tell them about your problem. They will solve your problem. If you now still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.